My name is David Madwin, and I want to show off the new Sentoku knife. This is from the Dynasty series. Gorgeous, beautiful knife, perfectly balanced. It's exactly where it should sit, so you have the right balance when you're chopping and cutting. This is Sanmai technique, so it's a samurai knife essentially, or a samurai sword style knife. So what happens is you take 3 pieces of steel, a hardenable inner piece of steel, which is the lighter steel right there, and then 2 pieces of mild steel, and you forge weld them together. So you actually hammer them together in a forge. This is 1 piece of steel. You can see it's got that gorgeous through tang right there, which means it's not going to snap or break. But unlike a full tang, this is actually much easier to hold on to because it has that gorgeous rosewood right over there that sits perfectly in your hand. And this stupidly gorgeous Serbian cleaver. I've actually never used the Serbian cleaver before. I've used a meat cleaver, which doesn't work nearly as well for vegetables or for other things. This is a much more versatile kind of cleaver. It's closer in size and composition to a Chinese cleaver, which would have more of a squared off edge. But this is going to have a more forward weight to it, which is why the balance is actually slightly different. So it should be, there we go. You can see right underneath there. So what happens is instead of having where a chef's knife where you want to balance right there, you want a bit more weight to the front, because what you want to do is generate force if you're trying to cut through something really thick, or if you're trying to cut through like a root vegetable, or if you're trying to cut through a joint on a piece of meat. I cannot wait to start cooking with these and show these off. I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait